I've spent plenty of time using SoFi Invest in 2025, digging into both its active investing platform and its robo-advisor. It's easy to see why it catches attention when it offers commission-free trades, IPO access, and low-cost automation. But after putting it through real-world use, I'm asking, is it still the smart modern financial hub it presents itself to be? Or is it starting to feel like too much of a jack of all trades? Here's how it shaped up. Diving in, SoFi Invest shines with $0 commissions on stocks, ETFs, and options, including per-contract options trades. No surprises there. It supports fractional shares, meaning you can start investing with as little as $5 and even participate in IPOs before public trading. Its mobile app, banking integration, and sleek interface make investing feel intuitive. The platform also updated its robo-advisor, introducing a 0.25% annual fee, a modest change considering the upgrade added access to alternative investments like real estate or multi-strategy funds, previously a rare feature in robo-services. They've expanded options, built alongside BlackRock's Aladdin tools, adding measurable value to automated portfolios. SoFi also offers access to private markets, investments in high-profile companies like OpenAI or SpaceX, now available with a minimum of only $10. SoFi keeps investing costs low while increasing value. The active investing side features zero trading commission and no account minimum. The robo-advisor now charges 0.25% per year, still below traditional human advisor rates, but now aligned with peers in pricing. One downside, mutual fund trades can carry a 0.2% fee, capped at $20 per transaction, and riskier interval and specialty funds can reach 2%. A $25 inactivity fee kicks in after 6 months of no login, though it's easily avoided by signing in periodically. Withdrawal by ACH is free, but wire transfers or full account transfers may incur fees. What users appreciate, everyday investors appreciate how SoFi blends seamless banking with investing. The interface is modern, and the app consolidates everything from checking and savings to investing, all in one place. For beginners, the free access to financial planners through SoFi Plus is a standout, especially since it feels more personalized than most robo offerings. The little extras from IPO access to member rewards and private market exposure make SoFi feel like a premium platform. Where it falls short, but it's not perfect. The cash in your brokerage account earns almost nothing, about 0.01%, far lower than many competitors' high-yield alternatives. Advanced traders may notice gaps. There's no crypto, futures, or forex trading. While IPO access is appealing, supply is limited, and eligibility leans on asset levels or direct deposit setup. Research and data tools feel lightweight compared to dedicated trading platforms. SoFi provides ease, but not depth. SoFi Invest remains a smart, modern choice for investors who value convenience, low-cost access, and integrated financial services. Its combination of self-directed and robo-investing, plus community features and alternative options, set it apart from traditional brokers. But if you're chasing higher yields on idle cash, edge tools for trading, or in-depth market research, you might consider other platforms too. If this review helped, tap like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What financial feature would make your investing life easier? I'd love to explore it next time.